Okay. So for making banana tree, what we will have to do? First, you all have seen that the banana trees are giving top like this. Yes or no? And then what we will do? Beside of this, I will give one more line, and then this side also. Okay. Now from here only, I will take out one long line. Okay. Now you will make it more long. Now beside this also you give like this one more line, and here one more. Now you make it the center point, and then one line you give like this, one more like this, third one is like this, fourth one is like this, then you can give like this also. And anybody have any confusion? It was very easy. Okay. Now after this, what we will do? First, I will draw this one and this one. So for that, what I will do? I will draw this one, which is in the middle. Okay. And then what I will do? I will make here this one like this. Then I will make once again like this, like this, like this. Now, after making this one, it will look that this leaf is twisted. Now you see that. After that, I have told you that I will draw these over. So one we have to do like this. Second one we have to do this. Third like this. Fourth one we go. Okay. Now drawing this, what we have to do? You will have to draw the line which is not necessary in this. So I have this one. Anybody have any confusion? Now you can see that it looks like yes or no? Now second, in this we have to do like this. We have to curve. Okay. Make this one. You will make this. And this one will come like this. Same thing we have to do here also, like this, then one will be like this, second one will be like this, third one will be like this. Okay. Now, beside this, you can make one more, but not necessary. If you want to make that side, you can make. If you don't want to make that side, then you can make here only one more. Happen? In that way only you can make here also. Okay. Now it looks that the both sides of the leaf you can see. Now same way what you will do? You will do here also. Now this time we will cut like this. This one will go again like this, and it will go like this. Here also. Now this is very tall leaf, so I have cut here 3 times. Okay. Now this is tall tree, then it will be another side one we will not be able to see. So what we will do? We will make in this way only. Okay. Now we are going to make this. Here also we cut like this, then like this, 1, 2, then it will go like this. One cut here, second one cut here, and third one here. In this way, we will be able to see that it looks like banana tree. Now, rub this one again. Now, what you have to do? You have to cut it like this. Now again it will be like this, and like this. have been completed our banana tree. Now, after completing this, what we will have to do? We will have to give the shape. Okay, so what I will do? I will take like this and then I will give the picture and write it on it. But we try to keep in the same. Here, in this way. Okay, and now as it's telling, you are here and some zigzag lines you can use here for grasses. Okay, everybody have any confusion? Okay, thank you. Now you see that when you will see, you can understand that your banana tree is